Hey you guys, it's Kivia and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time stopping by. So today we are headed to Ikea. We are on the road to Jacksonville and this will be a day trip. We are only about 2 hours away, so here we are pulling up to IKEA. I was so excited. I definitely had a few items on my list, and if you've never been in IKEA before, I will tell you that I suggest you go ahead and scope out the website first and just browse around to see what you actually need prior to going in here, because this store is very large and it can be very overwhelming if you've never been in here before. So this time I decided to make a list before we went here. I had the items in my cart because I planned on doing a pickup. So if you're not interested in going in the store, you can do the curbside pickups, but I wanted to go in and I'm so happy I did, because some of the items that I had in my cart, they didn't look the way I thought they were going to look in person, so I decided not to get those items. But if you would like to just go in and browse around, it'll probably take you about a good 3, 4 hours maybe to look at everything in this store. I still don't think I've looked at everything in the store. This store is humongous, and my kids are older now, but the very first time I went in here, when I tell y'all, I was so overwhelmed and I was like, I would never bring my kids in here. But they actually had a good time. They were in there taking pictures and everything, having a whole little photo shoot. This was one of the items that was on my list because I will be doing a DIY project. I tell you, this store have literally everything from cabinets to countertops, anything you can think of, they have it in the store pretty much. And I just think it's so cool. Now, will I furnish my whole house with items from IKEA? Probably not. Um, some items are very good quality. I know a lot of people really don't like it. They think everything is pretty cheap. Now, the prices you cannot beat, but when it comes to quality, I think they do have some really good items. If you take care of your items, I don't see a problem with things falling apart. Now, when we were moving around a lot with the military, probably having a bunch of IKEA stuff, I'm pretty sure we would have been replacing furniture often, but it'll get the job done, and I think you can do a lot with the inexpensive furniture that you can find in here. I'm very big on organization, so if you are looking for organization items, of course they have that as well. All right, so we're just going to grab some lunch. They do have a small cafeteria in here. They don't have a whole lot of items. I did tell you guys that I'm pescatarian. They do have some vegan options. So I did try these plant balls along with some mashed potatoes, veggies, and fries. My husband and I shared that. We wasn't that hungry, so that was enough to, kind of fill us up. But they do have these glass containers with the bamboo top. So if you're looking for some of those, you can definitely find those in IKEA. And as you can see, they have a bunch of dishes and stuff. And I really did love these lamps here. I thought $75 for that lamp was pretty expensive though, but it was very heavy. And they do have a bunch of light fixtures to choose from. I wasn't too fond of some of them, but they had some pretty cool ones in here. And they do have some really good mirrors for pretty affordable prices and so many plants to choose from. If you're looking for some tall plants, I think Ikea have some of the best prices on artificial plants. So now I'm just typing in the furniture items that I need to locate. And this is pretty cool because it'll tell you exactly where it's located at in the store. So you're not having to walk around or ask an associate where this item is at. It'll tell you exactly where it's located in the store. And we're just grabbing some of these inserts for the shelf. And yeah, I think I found everything that I was looking for. I will definitely be coming back because I have some more items on my list, including those items that you just saw right there. But they do have an as is section, so is exactly what it is. This is it reminds me of like that cloud couch that everybody is so crazy about right now. But most of these items are probably items that have been returned, and then some items that may have a little damage, but it wasn't too bad. And these were just some closet inserts and stuff. So when we do decide to customize our closet, I think I will probably be coming here so I can get them to help me do that. But yeah, I didn't do a whole lot of damage, but I got everything that I needed. So now we are leaving and heading to Topgolf. All right, here's what I picked up from Ikea. So I got these 4 small plants, and these did not come with them, but they were the perfect fit. So I got these, and I'll be putting these inside of this once we put this together. So it's like 4 shelves on there, and I want these at the top. So that's why I picked these up. I also got these inserts, and they are the feathered filled ones, so they do the perfect karate chop. And I got these linen pillowcases for the media room because this is one of the colors that I have in there. And these were only $9. I'm probably gonna order some more. I'm not sure the largest size that these come in, but I really like the way these sit. And then I got this glass vase as well. I want to say this was about $8 or so. I don't remember how much these cases were. I think they were about $8, but the plants were $6.99, and the vases were $4 each. And as far as this, so I've been looking for a sideboard to go in my dining room. Either I'm going to place it here on this wall, or it's going to go on this wall. Whichever wall it goes on, though, I'm going to have to push this table over a little more because it's not as much space in here, but this should be a pretty slim cabinet once we put it together. So it's really like a 6 cube shelf, but I did grab 4 inserts. So I'm going to put the inserts at the bottom, and then the top 4 will be open, and I will place these plants at the top. I wanted to grab these so I can have somewhere to store all of my charger plates and
any of the dining decor that I use to decorate the table like throughout the year and stuff. So hopefully that will be big enough to hold everything that I use. But I haven't had this dining room table that long, so I don't have a lot of items at the moment. And I also have storage in my kitchen as well if I need the extra space. But this will be a project on its own, so I will come back and show you guys how I build this and put it together and then add my own touches to it. But yeah, I just wanted to show you my quick Ikea haul. It was a day trip. We wasn't there that long. As you can see, we went to Topgolf as well, and we had a really good time. But that's gonna be it for this video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. And until next time, my friends, take care.